Is the Garmin vívoactive 5 the best Garmin running watch under $300 in 2025, or just another feature-packed tracker lost in the sea of smartwatches? In this review, we dive deep into how this sleek watch handles real-world runs, gym sessions, and daily wear. Is it the Forerunner alternative you've been waiting for? Stick around, because the final verdict might surprise you. Run is a 10 out of 10. Poe Marcus is an 8 out of 10. Garmin vívoactive 5 Product Overview. The Garmin vívoactive 5, launched in late 2023, is Garmin's latest addition to its lifestyle-focused smartwatch lineup. Positioned between the fitness-first Forerunner series and the all-around Venu, it blends advanced fitness tracking, smart features, and a colorful AMOLED display, all while keeping the price under control. Designed for runners, gym-goers, and everyday users, it promises elevated performance, longer battery life, and reliable health insights. If you've been eyeing a smartwatch that works as hard as you do without jumping into the high-end price tier, the vívoactive 5 might just be your sweet spot. Garmin vívoactive 5 Performance. We tested the vívoactive 5 across multiple real-world scenarios, running in the Colorado sun, HIIT training indoors, and even sleep tracking through restless nights. And here's the kicker, it keeps up impressively well. The GPS locks in under 10 seconds outdoors, offering accurate route tracking even in dense city blocks. The heart rate monitor? It's surprisingly consistent with medical-grade finger pulse oximeters during cardio peaks. Thanks to Garmin's new generation Elevate 5 sensor, the vívoactive 5 tracks sleep, respiration, and heart rate variability in a way that feels effortless. We especially like the morning report, which pulls together sleep quality, recovery, and suggested workouts in a single glance. What surprised us the most was the smooth touchscreen performance. Unlike older models, there's no lag. Swipes, taps, and scrolling feel modern and fluid. Features and tech. Garmin packed the vívoactive 5 with impressive features tailored to health-conscious users and active lifestyles. AMOLED touchscreen, a vivid 1.2-inch display that finally brings Garmin into the modern visual era without sacrificing outdoor readability. It's bright, responsive, and battery-optimized. Body battery and recovery insights. This feature calculates your energy levels in real time, letting you know when to push through a workout or take a recovery day. Ideal for managing overtraining or burnout. Custom workouts and adaptive training plans. Whether you're marathon prepping or just looking to hit daily goals, Garmin Coach and the free workouts from the app are incredibly useful, especially for beginners who don't want to overthink training. Compared to the Forerunner 265 or Venu 3, you lose a few advanced metrics like running dynamics or onboard voice calls, but for most users, the trade-offs are minimal. Design and build. Garmin finally nailed the balance between form and function. With just 36 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and wears comfortably all day. No wrist fatigue, even during sleep tracking. The aluminum bezel adds a premium touch, while the 20mm silicone strap is breathable and interchangeable. With a water rating of 5 ATM, it's pool and shower ready. The watch face is minimalist and stylish, available in multiple color options like slate, ivory, and navy, making it suitable for both gym and office. If you found previous Garmin models bulky or outdated looking, the vívoactive 5 finally brings a modern aesthetic that doesn't scream sports tracker. Pros: bright, responsive AMOLED touchscreen, strong fitness and health tracking tools, lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Excellent battery life, up to 11 days in smartwatch mode. Cons: no built-in speaker or mic for calls. Lacks advanced training features found in Forerunner 265. Limited third-party app support compared to Wear OS or Apple. Battery life. Let's talk power. The vívoactive 5 promises up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and around 5 days with always-on AMOLED enabled. GPS-only tracking nets around 21 hours, which is more than enough for marathoners or back-to-back training sessions. Compared to Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch, this is a clear win. No daily charging anxiety, no midweek surprises. Garmin's smart battery optimization, especially in sleep and health tracking, makes this ideal for long-term use. And yes, it charges from 0 to 100% in just under 90 minutes. Final verdict. So, is the Garmin vívoactive 5 the best Garmin running watch for most people in 2025? If you're a recreational to intermediate runner, the answer is yes. It offers excellent value, smart features, and enough fitness depth to keep you motivated, all without breaking the bank. You're getting a watch that feels premium, tracks accurately, lasts over a week on one charge, and looks good doing it. If you're an elite athlete looking for advanced training metrics like lactate threshold or real-time stamina, the Forerunner 265 might be better. But for 90% of users, especially those who want a great running watch that doubles as a lifestyle smartwatch, the vívoactive 5 hits the sweet spot.